So guys, I'm going to show in this video how we can add extension in Mihon app. Firstly, you're going to go to more option here, scroll down, tap on settings, scroll down once again, tap on browse and tap on extension reports, and you can tap on add to add the extension report, but we're gonna find the extensions first. I have already added one extension report here, so let's go back to home screen and launch any browser that you have on your phone, and you can just do a Google search for Mihon extensions. Scroll down and you're gonna find the extension. I have already added this one here, so I'm gonna find another repo. Scroll down. Okay, let's try this one. Scroll down on the guide section, tap on getting started. Scroll down once again here and tap on adding the repo manually. So just long tap here on the link and just copy this and go back to Mihon app, tap on add and paste the link here. Paste. Done. Add. Now I have added one more extension here, this Comico app, and you're gonna have to relaunch the Mihon app to make the changes take effect. Exit and relaunch. Exit and relaunch. Just make sure that you follow the same step for every extension that you find from the GitHub. So just like my video and subscribe my channel.